Our rosewood veneered pedestal table, with its tray decorated with deep green enamel, is an exceptional piece. Made between 1842 and 1844, this enamel decoration is the work of the Rubelles Manufacture, near Fontainebleau. Possibly withdrawn from the Exposition du Commerce et des Produits de l'Industrie in 1844, our pedestal table is the only example known to date. At the end of the 19th century, its creations were highly prized by connoisseurs, who competed for them at a high price. They were compared to the finest English porcelain. This very rare decoration is in lithophanic earthenware, a technique developed by Baron de Bourgoing in association with Alexis du Tremblay, owner of the Château de Rubelles. Directors of the Rubelles factory, the two partners used this original process for 15 years. It allows to obtain transparency effects in the porcelain. The designs are rendered in gradations, from opaque shadows to very translucent lights.